Hi, this is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. We're looking at a CSEC past paper 2018, question 5. So here we have students in a group were asked to name their favorite sport. Their responses are shown on the pie chart below. Calculate the value of x. So we know first that this is 360 degrees. Therefore, x is equals to 360 take away 94 plus 45. So x is equals to 360 minus, put that in your calculator, 94 plus 45, 139. So x is equals to 221. 221 degrees. All of this is degrees. What percentage of the students choose cricket? So according to the diagram, cricket is 94 degrees. So we know it's 360 degrees, so it'd be 94 degrees over 360 degrees times 100 over 1. What percentage equals? Put that in your calculator. 94 divided by 360, equal sign, multiplied by 100. That is going to give us 26.1%. Part 3, given that 40 students choose tennis, calculate the total number of students in the group. So we were told from before, this is the diagram, tennis represents 45 degrees. So what we're saying is 45 over 360, the entire circle is 360 degrees. When we multiply that by something, let's say it is x is equals to 40 students. Good. So we're going to cross multiply, and we're going to get 45x. Let's ignore the degrees. 40 times 360. We want to get rid of the denominator. Remember that rule? So I'm going to get 45x is equals to 40 times 360. That is 14,400. So x is equals to 14,400 divided by 45. And that is going to give us 320 students. Here we have the B part of the question. The diagram below shows a frequency polygon of the number of goals scored by a football team in 25 matches. And here we have our y-axis. So we're going to write that here, y-axis. And here is our x-axis. So the x-axis is the number of goals, and the y-axis is the number of matches. So in part 1, complete the following table using the information in the diagram. So let's understand how we're taking the information from the graph and putting it in the table. So we have 0 goals was scored in 5 matches. Then we have 1 goal was scored 7 matches, hence why we have this information here. So 2 now, we're going to read up and then go across. So that would be 3. Then we're here at how many matches did they score? 5 goals. So we're going to read up. We can also read across. Well, this one you have to read 5. And we go over here, that will be 2. Part 2 says, what is the modal number of goals scored by the team? So modal, as long as you see that word, modal number, frequent, most frequent. So what we can do also, we can write out the numbers, because there are only 25. It's 25 matches, right? So 0, 5 matches. Good. 1 goal in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 2, 3 times. 3 goals, 3 times. 4 goals, 4 times. And then we have 5 twice and 6 once. So the most frequent number of goals scored by the team was 1 goal. Let me write it down here. 1 goal. Here we have part 3 of the question. Determine the median number of goals scored by the team. We will need our table again, and we're going to fill in what we know from before, 3 and 2 here. Now the median is the middle number, okay? Now there's a formula, but we're going to actually set up the numbers because they're not that many. So 0 5 times, 7 has 1 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have 2 3 times, 3 3 times, 4 4 times, 2 5s and a 6. So we're going to divide this up, and we can tell that we're going to have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 on both sides. So the middle number is 2 goals. There's another way of working that out. The median is equals to n plus 1 over 2, the n plus 1 term. So we're going to get the sample size is 25 plus 1. That'll be 26 over 2. That's the 13th term. So when we count from the beginning, because remember the median, you have to place the values in ascending order. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let me use my highlighter. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So this 2, I'll use a different color, is the 13th position, okay, which is what we had here. So the answer is 2 goals. Calculate the mean number of goals scored by the team. So what we're going to do here now is find the total first. So total would be 5 times 0 plus 7 times 1 plus 3 times 2 plus 3 times 3 plus 4 times 4 plus 2 times 5 plus 1 times 6. So that is 0 plus 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 16 plus 10 plus 6. That is going to give us a total of, plug that in your calculator. So we're adding 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 16 plus 10 plus 6, 54. So the mean is equals to 54. Total n was 25. You divide 54 by 25 and you get the answer of 2.16, and that's the average. This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.